Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to select by color in Photoshop with the Magic Wand tool. Let's begin. First of all, open any image. I open any image. I use this image and select any color. Click the selection, right click, select Magic Wand tool, and now see this. Click the white background color. Press Ctrl D, click the black, press Ctrl D and click this color, single color, use multiple color, select this one. Okay, and again reopen any project, select the color, now see this select automatically. Okay, and reapply color red, hold Alt Tab, press backspace, press Ctrl D. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.